Okay, today's lesson is exponents and order of operations. Today's objectives are to simplifying and evaluating expressions and formulas, and simplifying and evaluated expressions containing group symbols. So like parentheses or brackets, that kind of stuff. The vocabulary we have is to simplify a numerical expression, you replace it with its simplest name, or another word for it is answer. Okay, number 2, an exponent tells how many times a number, the base, is used as a factor. So the base is the big number, and that would be the 3, and then the exponent is the 2. And so it's saying this 2, or squared, is telling me that I'm multiplying 3 times itself twice. Power has 2 parts, a base, which we talked about is the 3, and an exponent, which is a 2. Then we have what's called order of operations. That's parentheses, exponents. Multiplying and dividing, they go together from left to right, and adding and subtracting from left to right. So that's the order that we're going to be doing order of operations. So, first is, we are going to do exponents first. And so that is 3 squared. And so that would be 9 plus 2 times 8 minus 25. Next is multiplying. So we'll do 8 times 2, which is 16, plus 9, and bring down everything else. And then you do it from left to right. 25 minus 16 is 9, plus 9 is 18. B, you have 6 minus 10 divided by 5. You don't have parentheses, you don't have exponents, so we're going to do multiplying and dividing next. Well, there's only one division or multiplying, and that's 10 divided by 5, which is 2. And bring it down. 6 minus 2 is 4. Next, C. Parentheses, no. Exponents we do have, and that's 16 divided by 2 minus 3 times 6. And then from left to right we do multiplication or division, and multiplication happens to be first, so 3 times 6 is 18, minus 6 divided by 2, which is 8, 16 divided by 2, which is 8, and so that would be 10. 18 minus 8. No parentheses, exponents. 5 to the 3rd power. 5 times 5 times 5. This is 25. How much times 5? How much money would you have if you had 5 quarters? You would have $1.25. So it's 125 plus 90 divided by 10. Well, only division is here. 90 divided by 10 is 9, plus 125 is 134. All right. Next is evaluate. That means we are going to plug. Evaluate means we're going to plug or substitute these numbers in for A and B. So it says 3 times A. 3 times A minus 2 cubed divided by 4. So order of operations, you do 2 cubed first, that's 8. Then you do 21. Well, you could do 8 divided by 4 at the same time, which is 2. And 21 minus 2 is 19. Please try B and C by yourself. Put me on pause, check it out, show your work. Alright, the answers are B is 10 and C is 242. if you don't have the right answers, you might want to go back and check what you did wrong, considering I'm not showing the work. So you need to check it out. All right? Okay. So we have the equation C equals P plus 0.06P represents the cost of a pair of sneakers with a price P and a sales tax of 6%. Use a table to find the cost for $20, $30, $45, and $59. So what's happening here is they gave you, you're going to write a table just like this one and use the same ideas that they gave you. And then on price, they gave you even the prices. They said 20, 30, 45, and 59. And then you're going to plug it in to this information over here. So this is what the first one would look like. You would go 20 plus 0.06 times 20. And your answer will go into the C. So this is the time I don't have a problem with you using your calculator. So you would put in your calculator, you would say 20 plus 0.06 times 20, and you would get $21.20. Why don't you do that with 30, 45, and 59? Put me on pause, come back to... Alright, here are your answers. Check them out, and you are allowed to keep them in the table when you turn in your homework. Alright, now we have exponents. Not exponents, parentheses.